Now this is the question number 9 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic class 11th Python revision. So in this particular question, four options have been given to you and it has been asked which one of them is incorrect logical operator. ओके तो अगर मैं लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर की बात करूं पाइथन के अंदर तो वी हैव थ्री लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर फर्स्ट वन इज एंड देन और एंड देन नॉट ओके so we have only three logical operators in Python. So for this question, option number B is the incorrect one. That means the right answer for this one is in operation, which is your membership operator. Okay. So this is a very simple question. So right answer for this one would be option number B. Now there is a question for you. Whenever we use logical operator in particular expression, तो उसका आउटपुट हमें किस डाटा टाइप की फॉर्म में मिलता है? You need to write down the answer in the comment box. Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.